Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a very nice song here from Zayn. It's called What I Am, and I really love the feeling of this song, the good vibes it gave me. So, What I Am from Zayn, let's take a look at this one. No need for any cape on this, alright, and I believe we have 7 chords. Yes, 7 chords. So that is what we're gonna work with. Let's go into them right away. So, we're gonna start here with the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the C next. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the D next, and you take the very same grip from the C and just move it 2 frets towards you, your body, like this, and you land on 5th A, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Alright, and then we have the C major. So if we go back again to the C chord here we had, what you need to do here to get the C major, just take away this first fret B string and get that open. Everything else is the same, so that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, and then open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the B minor 7. And that's a bar chord, so you play the bar here on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, so 5 strings from bottom up to this, and then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. And the final chord is the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So there you have all the chords needed. We have G, E minor, C, D, the C major 7, B minor 7, and the A minor. All right, so we have the verse first, and you're gonna alternate the G and the E minor with some added notes to it. So before we go into all that, we're gonna learn the strumming pattern. All right, so if you go to G, we can go with G. It doesn't matter really. That's the first chord. We're gonna learn the full strumming pattern. It's divided into 2 different parts, and the one full round of it sounds down, 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 up, down, 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 up, like this. All right. So the first part is down, 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 up, down. Okay? So down, down on the bass, and then I play more on the mid top notes, and on the rest there, down, down, up, down. So down, 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 up, down. That's the first part, and then you continue with down, down, up, and that's part 2. So like that, down, down, up. So if we have these 2 parts together, it will be down, 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 up, down. That's part 1, and then down, down, up, part 2. All right, so a couple rounds of it. All right, so we're gonna look at this verse play now, and for this verse play, we're gonna play G, part 1, plus an extra added notes. It sounds like this. So part 1, and then that is 2nd on A string, then open A, 3rd E, and 2nd E. So that melody part replaces the part 2. If you want to skip that, you can just go with one full string around on G. And then you go to the E minor and play part 1 again, plus the notes there. So it will be alright. So part 1 and then open E and then 2 times on the second E. So that is one round of it. You're gonna play 4 rounds of that for the verse play. So slowly it goes like this. And that is one round. A couple rounds. So on. All right, so 4 rounds, and that's the verse. Then comes the pre-chorus, and we don't have any added notes, anything. We just straight strumming rounds here. We're gonna have full strumming rounds for the rest of the song here. So the pre-chorus will be C, 1 round, D, 1 round, back to C, 1 round, and then D, 1 down, and a pause. So D, back to C, and D, 1 down, and a pause. And that's the pre-chorus. And then you go over to the chorus, and you're gonna continue with this just plain strumming, 1 round per chord. You're gonna go with G, C major 7, G, C major, B minor 7, C major, B minor, and 1 down on C major. And that's it. Then you're gonna go back again and play the second verse. No changes there from the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus. Then comes the second chorus, and it's very, very similar. The only different thing here will be in the last chord, the C major. Instead of playing 1 down on the pause, you play 1 full string around. So 1 full string around also in the last C major 7. From there on, we are at the bridge part, and it starts about 2 minutes and 8 seconds into the song. Then comes another chord progression here. We're gonna continue with the same strumming pattern here, and it will be A minor, 1 round, C 1 round, G 1 round, and D 1 round. Let's repeat everything. So you basically play 2 rounds of A minor 1, C1, G1, D1, and then in the last D, you add 1 extra down on that one with a pause, and that builds up for the next chorus, the third one. This third one is the same in the same way as the second one, with this full strumming around on the last C major. So no changes from the second chorus. And then comes the outro part, and you're gonna play 1 down per chord with the same chord as you use in the chorus. The same chord progression there, 1 down per chord, and that is how Zayn's What I Am ends. All right, so very nice song, fits guitar very, very well, and has a nice tempo to it, not too hard chords either. So a nice song to practice. So give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this tutorial, support me here on Gordon Guitar. Leave me a thumb up or even subscribe to this channel. Helps me a lot. So yeah, till next time, play tuned.